Picture this. You're heading to the beach loaded with coolers, chairs, and towels. Or maybe you're at a campsite hauling firewood and gear. Or perhaps you're just running errands, juggling groceries and bags. Now imagine doing all of that effortlessly with a foldable wagon. No more sore arms, no more multiple trips. Just one sturdy, reliable cart to carry it all. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best foldable wagons for travel, from budget-friendly picks to heavy-duty haulers. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a busy parent, or an outdoor enthusiast, we've got the perfect wagon for you. Stick around, you might just find your new favorite travel companion. Number 5. Ecogou Foldable Wagon, Best Budget Pick. Starting our list at number 5 is the Ecogou Foldable Wagon, a budget-friendly workhorse that punches above its weight. With a 200-liter storage capacity and a 420-pound load limit, this wagon is perfect for family outings, grocery runs, or beach trips. It's made from 600D Oxford fabric, waterproof, tear-resistant, and built to handle rough terrain. The 360-degree rotatable wheels glide over sand, grass, or pavement, and the telescopic handle adjusts to your height for comfortable pulling. Plus, it folds down to just 30 by 21.6 by 6.7 inches, small enough to stash in your trunk. At under $80 with a $20 coupon, it's a steal for the quality. The only downside? Assembly takes a few minutes, but once it's set up, you're golden. Number 4. Overmont Collapsible Wagon with Tailgate, Best for extra space. Need more room for bulky gear? The Overmont Collapsible Wagon at number 4 features a game-changing tailgate design that adds 50% extra space. Need to transport a tent, a dog crate, or a stack of firewood? Just flip the tailgate down. This wagon boasts a 200-liter capacity and supports 300 pounds, thanks to its sturdy steel frame and 600D Oxford fabric. The 360-degree all-terrain wheels have brakes for slopes, and the handle adjusts for pushing or pulling. It folds flat in seconds and at $85.49, originally $140. It's a killer deal. Overmont's wagons are known for durability, and this one's no exception, ideal for campers and festival goers. Number 3. Overmont 220-liter heavy-duty wagon, Amazon's choice. Taking the number 3 spot is another exceptional wagon from Overmont, the 220L heavy-duty wagon, which has earned the Amazon's Choice badge for good reason. With over 1,500 positive reviews, this wagon is a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. It boasts an impressive 330-pound weight capacity and features 3.2-inch wide all-terrain wheels, with a dual-bearing system for superior stability and smooth rolling, even on uneven ground. One of the best features of this wagon is its removable fabric, which makes cleaning a breeze. Just unclip it and hose it down after a muddy adventure. The wagon folds down to a compact 1.4 cubic feet, making it easy to store in a car trunk or garage, and it includes side pockets for storing water bottles, tools, or small items. The front wheels come with brakes, which is a huge plus if you're using it on hills or uneven terrain. Priced at $89.99, down from $140, this wagon offers incredible value for its durability and functionality. Whether you're hauling camping gear, sports equipment, or groceries, the Overmont 220-liter heavy-duty wagon is a reliable workhorse that won't let you down. Number 2. VIVOHOME 350-liter extended wagon, best for heavy loads. If you need maximum hauling power, the VIVOHOME 350-liter extended wagon is our number 2 pick, and for good reason. This beast of a wagon offers a massive 350-liter storage capacity and can handle an astonishing 440 pounds, making it the strongest wagon on our list. The foldable tailgate adds an extra 90 liters of space, which is perfect for transporting long items like lumber, tents, or even your pets. The 6.5-inch all-terrain wheels are designed to tackle any surface, from sandy beaches to rocky trails, and the adjustable handle makes it easy to maneuver even when fully loaded. The carbon steel frame is rust-resistant and built to last, while the 600D Oxford fabric is tough enough to withstand heavy use. At $92.99, 28% off the original price, this wagon is a premium choice for gardeners, contractors, or large families who need to move heavy loads regularly. The only thing to keep in mind is that it's heavier, 29.7 pounds, and bulkier when folded compared to some other models, so it's best for those who prioritize strength and capacity over ultra portability. But if you need a wagon that can handle just about anything you throw at it, the VIVOHOME 350-liter is an outstanding choice. Number 1. ONEFOREST Wagon with Canopy Tent, best premium pick. And now our top pick for travelers who want versatility, luxury, and convenience all in one. The ONEFOREST Collapsible Wagon with Canopy Tent. This isn't just a wagon, it's a mobile command center for your outdoor adventures. The attachable canopy provides 100 square feet of shade, making it perfect for beach trips, picnics, or tailgating. The IGT tabletop transforms the wagon into a dining or food prep area, so you can enjoy meals without needing extra furniture. Made from durable nylon and steel, this wagon can hold 200+ pounds and folds down for easy storage and transport. Yes, it's the most expensive option on our list at $199.99, but for those who love glamping, hosting outdoor gatherings, or just want the ultimate in convenience, it's worth every penny. Imagine arriving at the beach and instantly having a shaded lounge area. No struggling with umbrellas or separate tents. The ONEFOREST Wagon is all about making your outdoor experiences effortless and enjoyable. So, which of these foldable wagons is the right fit for you? The budget-friendly Ecogou for everyday use? The spacious Overmont with a tailgate for bulky items? The rugged Overmont 220-liter for all-terrain adventures? The heavy-duty VIVOHOME for maximum hauling power? Or the luxury ONEFOREST with its canopy and tabletop for the ultimate outdoor experience? Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear recommendations, and don't forget to check the links below for the best deals on these wagons. Thanks for watching, and happy hauling!